Hi friends, I love music but I wish to learn how to play piano, so I bought this 76 digital piano. Hi guys, I'm going to unbox my new digital piano. This is the stand that I also bought. Hello Megan, this is my niece Megan. I know how to play guitar, but I'm interested to learn how to play piano. And I was told age doesn't matter. If you're interested to learn, you can still learn. Actually, at this time, I'm not aiming to read music sheets. It must be difficult, but at least I could play worship hymns, you know. It would be easier to play with chords. I think this is the adapter. Alright, here it is. For me, this is beautiful and just enough for me to practice and hopefully play music. I can play a little, but as time goes by, I wish to learn more. You know, the price of pianos differ. Grand pianos are really expensive, but for practice, it's okay to buy digital pianos like this. It's affordable, and if we really love music, you know, it's okay to buy this one and learn. This digital piano has 76 keys. Well, it lacks, I think, one octave, but I think it's fine. I will enjoy this.